playing the handpan for almost 20 years now. I'm making this video to demonstrate the results that I got using the handpan pickup. I'm gonna try to keep this video very simple, and before I start, it's important for me to let you know that all the sounds that you're hearing are recorded directly from the pickup. So there is no microphone involved at all. Also, the bass sounds that you're hearing and the rhythm are all generated by the handpan with the pickup. For this video, I'm going to use a Decor 22. Okay, so there are some obvious advantages and disadvantages to using a pickup instead of a microphone. So one of the greatest advantages is reducing the chances for feedback on stage. Another great advantage is that all the sounds that I am producing for this video are recorded from only one pickup instead of using 2 or 3 microphones. Using the pickup, you can perform on loud stages, in festivals, if you're a part of a big band, if you're playing with a drummer, and of course when you're looping and you want to use certain sound effects that with a microphone don't come out as clearly. Because the pickup is connected by magnets to the handpan, it takes the resonance of the handpan directly into it. It's easier to process that sound and use sound effects. And the obvious great disadvantage of this is that the sound of the pickup will never sound as natural and warm as when you're using a microphone. So if you're recording in the studio or performing in a controlled environment, you might still want to use a microphone, unless you want to use the loop station in your performance, and then with a microphone you might be risking getting feedback. I'm gonna go through the equipment that I'm using for this video, and I tried to keep it as minimalistic as possible. Before I got to this minimalistic setup, I bought a lot of different things, and I really spent a lot of time and money to get to the point where I'm at now. And so what I'm sharing here with you can save you a lot of time and money. Using the Muling H1 handpan pickup. This is the box. It has a zipper, and then it opens up and you have the pickup inside. There is an adapter, and this is the cable. The cable has this YC8 connection, and on the other side is a female jack. You take the adapter, connect it to the female jack, and the other end goes into the pickup. You match them this way, and then you rotate until you find the right spot, and then you just click it in, and it's secured. When you want to take it out, you just pull out here. So that's a very secured connection. And I think it's really smart that they disconnected the cable from the pickup. So if anything happens to the cable, you can just switch it. You can have 2 cables with you, and the pickup stays safe. Next, I'm using a Muling DI box. And that's really a great DI box. It's very simple, but it has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. It has a ground or lift and a 21 dB or a 41 dB boost. And so when I'm using my chromatic setup with 2 handpans, this becomes really handy, because then you can connect 2 pickups into 1 DI box. For looping and